I bought this PopoSoap solar for our fountain. Let's see what's in here. Get this. The hose. Oh, so this is the pump. Okay, this would fit into the basin. The depth is 2 3/8 approximately, 2 3/8, and it's about 4 1/4. Oh, this should be and 2 inches. So it's gonna go in like this. We'll see later, and this is the filter. We'll see later how to assemble this. Let's put this aside. And all the fountain connectors. I don't know what this is, probably for that. And the solar panel, which is 10.5 by 13 3/4. Now I also bought a backup battery. It has not arrived yet. So we'll assemble the nozzle. There's a suction cup to let this stay put, and there should be a filter here, as you can see there. And this is the water level protection. You can also try this. Yeah, so it's tight enough to restrict to control the pressure, the force. So I'm trying this just to test it, this nozzle here. And then, should I make it long? It really doesn't matter. We'll make it like this, just for testing. Then put it here. Okay. Oh, this one is, so this is the nozzle. We'll connect this to here, but let's assemble the stand. It will go, I think, this way. There. Show you on the side. Okay, there you go. And click. And we can adjust it like this. This is the there. So for now, we'll put this like this on the ground. Oh, too much. For now, let's do it. The sun facing the sun. Let's go out. So here's the setup that I have just for testing, and we'll put it here. And there's a cord here. Connect, and once connected, close it. I should have put water first. Let's put water. It's a hot water. Let's put it here, somewhere here. Oh, it stopped because there's no more water. Oh. So there is a preventive one for the water to stop. Let's change the nozzle to a different one. This is the spreading one. Hold on. Let's change it to this and to the spray. Okay. This one is there you go. That's what I want. But it is to oh, this is a strong. Oh wow, this is a strong fountain. That's good. Let's adjust the output like a little bit. Again. It's a good fountain. Oh, the filter. The filter. Up. Oh, this goes. I think I need to put some duct tape. But this is okay. So far, it's working good. There. And let's put the video here. Okay. And let's make it strong. Oh, wow. Let's open it full. Oh, that's closed. Open. And I'm gonna get some chains of nozzle. Let's see. So these are the nozzle I will try. Different. And there's this one here with a cover. I don't know what this is for. And we can connect some of this. Let's do it. Okay. I don't know what that one does. Okay. Okay. If I just want it that way, I think we have just like a 19-inch diameter that still being shipped. It's gonna come soon. And I think that's the only, otherwise I will keep on pouring water here because it has an auto stop. Now this looks interesting. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Now, as you can see, it's cloudy. The sun just stopped showing. It's cloudy. But it still has good power. Look at that. So this is PopoSoap Solar is the name. And this is there are two, the 12 watt and the 20 watt solar panel. So this is the panel. This seems to, it says this is made of glass. Okay. Now, how about this? Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay. This is like 4 feet. According to the website, it goes up to 17 feet. Now, I have to be honest, it's like, I don't know if I can contain the water. I have to have a big, that's my next problem. And now this one is replaceable. So, I don't even know if you can see it. I replace it with this. So this is the one that's more like can accept anything. There are three caps. This and this one almost similar to this, but we'll see the difference. So we'll put this one first. Next is this. Okay, 4 feet about, or 5, and let's see. Now with this, almost the same. Can you see it? Yes, here. Oh, this is the one I want, but how can we contain the water? As you can see, I'm all wet. And okay, this one here, is the first one I tried, and this one goes like, this is probably what the birds will like because it's gentle. Let's put this again. As you can see, it stopped because there's no water, so there is a sensor. So this has to be in a big bird bath. There. So the water is gone. This one can't even contain the water or catch the water. So that's it, folks. I'm impressed. Contrary to, let's see, they said it only lasts a month. We'll see, but the testing looks great.